Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am here. You know, first of all, I would like to thank you guys. You are showing some support in my previous video. Not that much, but yeah, it motivates me to make another video. So basically, I would like to share you today that in my school, one debate is going to be for head girl, but I never participate in that. So I don't know what should I do and what should I not. So let's see what will be the plan. I have the stage fear still.
Ha!
Still, I have the stage fear. Ki in front of teachers, when teachers will call, I guess every student might be having all this fear.
Yes?
Stage fear. I'm talking about stage fear. What? Stage. So basically, So basically, today's topic is stage fear. What is stage fear? Even I will let you guys know what is the stage fear means. Like, because I also went a lot. Still now also I'm facing. I'm speaking in front of you guys. Then also I am not having. I love myself. I love to watch myself. I just love it. I hope you guys also loving me. So basically, before I used to study in Uttar Pradesh. So right now I'm in Vishakhapatnam. So now I joined it one school. Like the name of the school, I will let you. Mom, stand up means like to stand, and sit down means to sit. So I used to teach my mother also with me. So I just love to teach. Like if I am having some knowledge too, I should share with everyone. I don't like to just keep. What I will do with that? I have to share. Like teachers are having knowledge and they are sharing with us. So then also we are also getting knowledge. If we are sharing with anyone, then everybody, like the third person will also get the knowledge. So basically the case was like that. So I was going to school. Whatever the things I was learning, I was just coming and telling to my mom, and that thing was captured in my mind. So, and I was having the main and biggest issue in reading, because at my home I don't used to read at all, because all that family issues and family dramas, daily fights, and it was like the hell, bro, hell. Cannot live there. I can't. That life was, I cannot imagine also. Like my mother, my father, like from my childhood, my father was not with me. Like he used to live outside, like for jobs and all that. From my childhood, my mother only took care of me. So after some time, I got ki she used to like. I used to like. I am having a old sister. Like she's my cousin. So basically, it was like when I was hearing all that, I was like, "What is this shit, yaar? I am girl, and I love to be like. I just love myself. I love my beauty. I love my hair. What the main thing I love? She used to cut it, bro. She used to just cut it. I was like, what is shit is she is doing? But basically, for God's sake, I love my mom so much, more than anyone. And I don't love anyone, I just love my mom only. And you guys also. So basically, what happened that time? She used to cut my hair, and she used to say, ki, short hair girls. So if we are doing study till 10th, we should not cut our hair. We should cut our hair for your this neck. Neck will be tall. Something they used to say. I don't even remember that thing. So they used to say for best concentration. You should not grow your hair. You should cut because you will not get the time to comb and do whatever the things. So I used to also think whatever because I never stood for myself. So I used to go to school and they used to look me like what the hell I am doing in that school. Even teachers also, not the student, even teacher also. So what happened? I was so much depressed that time. Ki, why they are behaving with me only like that? Every student was behaving with me like, and that was like from my childhood. I started speaking English, but nobody else was speaking in English in at home. So whatever the things I was learning from the school, I was just telling to my mom, ki, mom, let you guys know, but later, later we will talk about on this topic. So basically, stage where I was having from childhood because I was very type of introvert girl type. Like you guys will know, like the girl who don't like herself so much, not at all, no confident at all, because I face all that from my childhood, from my childhood only. I was not having the confidence because I was the older girl in the house and I was doing every work what they are saying, and that people are ruling on me, Ki do this, do that, do this, do that. I never stand for myself only first of all. Now I'm speaking in front of you guys because I faced all that things. So that's why it's the live example I'm giving myself, I'm giving the live example of myself. So basically what happened, I used to go to school and there also, uh, I was not having the confidence only first of all because my mother used to keep my short hair, and I feel like very insecure type of, sometimes I feel why is she doing that, but my mother used to tell me that we were not having a kid as a brother, like she was not having the son, so she was making me son, and she's just saying ki, okay, we was not having the older kids as a son, so we just replaced you as a son, like not replaced but treating me as a son. So basically it was, and because of the stage where I never even stand up for myself, you know but when I came to Vishakhapatnam, my life full and completely got changed. New city, new beginning. The mistakes happened in my life here also, so many things, not as and not a small things, big things, but I learned from them, and I think, yeah, whatever I did, yeah, whatever was my mistake, if I am not apology to myself, then I cannot ask to anyone else ki, please forgive me. First I have to forgive myself. I have to forgive myself. And I started forgiving myself first. Then the people are also like, they're forgiving me. So basically, from my previous school, I never used to stand because the teachers used to pull my nose, beat me, and treat me like something, some or the other. But here, teachers are like motivating and giving guidance, correct guidance. If and first thing, motivation, teachers are guiding. Even my mother are guiding. Mothers are like from childhood only now. Teachers, then after teacher. But what comes first? Self. What comes first? Because nobody will be with you forever. Not even your mother, not even your teacher. You will be with yourself forever until you die. So I started trust. and she's my cousin. So everything, she's younger than me 6 months. She's younger than me. Then the people are saying, "Oh, she did this. Oh, she did that. Oh, she did this. Oh, she's very good." She's getting the things also to improve herself. The people are back of her to guide her. Ki this is wrong and this is right. But back of me only my mom was there to guide me. And sometimes, my family in fights, whatever will happen, my mom used to suffer a lot, and she used to, whatever she is feeling, and she used to give to me also, like beatings and scoldings. So I was like, why God, why to me only? But now all that was like, some bad days. If you are having the bad days, then believe the good days will also come, because that days are waiting for you to go ahead. So basically I got to know and all that. Then after that my mother used to, like, when they used to fight, then after sometimes my mother used to come and shout on me, do this, do that blah blah blah. So after that, okay, I used to do. I used to cry. I used to sit alone. And that love, I was finding someone else. So basically, sorry for my kind information. I am just going out of my topic. So where we are? Where we are? Stage fear. Sorry, guys. Sorry. I'm so sorry. So basically, from my childhood, I was having the stage fear and lack of, like, education also. I was not reading anything in eights, and by the way, first of all, the thing was like, I made fellow friends and we started bunking the classes. Where will be the knowledge? So leave about all the past things. In eights, many things happened. Now this is my ninth, and I love it. First in April month, I was not well. I did not go to school and all that. But after that, I now basically I am going. I'm going every day. Every day is a new beautiful day. And I'm learning a lot day by day. In 8th standard, I like think that I did not study because of many things. And what are the many things? I will let you guys know later, because the video will be too much big and all that. So in short, this was only the thing about the stage fear. Again, I did not talk about the stage fear. Yeah. In the short note, I will tell you what is the stage fear. I just went with the flow of the topic. So stage fear is like, if you are getting stage fear, then just think, who are you? You can do or not. Just think that. Can you do? If your mind or your heart says yes, you can do, just go ahead. Once also in your mind it comes, just say yes, I can do, and just go and don't think anything else. Then after that, your mind will give you the hundreds of signals. Samrita, this problem will come, that problem will come. Again, I came down. Then what happened? I left her. I went to another class, and after sometimes, I left the section only. For God's sake, my school principal was so good. She changed it my section. Actually, I don't want to be in A section, but I was in A section because of my father. And then I went. Then in that class, 6th class, I was in A section. 7th class, again I have to choose A section because of my father, but I don't want to take. And then after that, in 8th, principal, thank God, she changed me in B section, and I get more motivation there. self confidence, motivation, and all that. So basically, I love it. I start loving myself more and more. Then big mystery happened. I will not tell you the mystery, but but later. Got plans. So I started standing out for me and thinking what is right, thinking what is wrong and right. Then after that, from eighth standard was my beginning of my life. I'm thinking that you know I learned I enjoyed a lot in eighth, enjoyed a lot, cried a lot, get scolding a lot, bullied a lot, lack of self confidence, and because I started trusting of myself first, then the time is like before I used when I came in the school I was like all alone. You are completely alone. So my friend was there. She used to say, "Don't talk with that teacher. Don't talk with that." So again, I came with very much like attitude and yeah, I will go and I will do it. But she started ruling on me, and I was also new. I was also not knowing anything, and I just went with the flow. Gone. My stage, my everything motivation gone. Gone everything only. So, but then she also left the school. I got alone again. Then I realized that little bit, not a very good huge amount of knowledge, but little bit I got, and I was started missing her. But at the same time, I started thinking that I have to be alone only in my entire life because nobody will be forever, and this nobody will be forever. This thing so many people taught me, so many, even my teachers, my mother, my friends, even myself was also saying to me, Amrita, nobody will be with you forever. So stop trusting people and stop depending on them. But then also I started doing. But at the end, she left. I went alone. Full year I was alone. I was having some attitude. Then at the last of the year, one friend I made. Then again she also started ruling on me. Then she started this, that, those. Please leave all that. Just once you decided, just go ahead. At that point, you will overcome your stage fear. I'm just telling you, I've been through a lot. I know it. So basically, don't be that much depressed. Yeah, I cannot speak. Yeah, I can also not speak in the class because sometimes I feel like what others will think. When you think what others will think, then only you will have the most stage fear. If you think why they will think, like, think about yourself. If you can do it, just speak and let it go, and don't think about anyone else. Just think about yourself then and there. They are sitting and they're watching you as an audience and whatever. You're standing for your own self. For whom you are standing? Not for teachers, not for your parents, not for anyone else. For whom? For your own self. In my school, it like debate competition is, I guess, not debate, not competition, or debate, a head girl debate. And now I'm so tensed. Should I participate? Should I not? Should I participate? And so I'm so much tensed. But yeah, I will make sure that I will go and I will speak in front of everyone. If I will, the 1,000 people will also come now. Just I will overcome my stage fear first of all. Here, my beginning will start. I will start it. So today I went to principal ma'am and I said, "Ma'am, I want to participate in a debate." So she told, "Okay, go and ask to." She gave the teacher name, and she said, "Go and ask to your coordinator, ma'am." And after that, She will guide you how. And right now I was studying, so I was feeling so sleepy, so just I said wait, I will go and speak something. So the many thing was going in my mind from a long day. So now it is like 1:29 a.m. So I was just writing my notes, and I'm very much back in my notes. I was writing social geography. No, not geography only I was writing. Yeah, lesson 1. So I was having the incomplete and I was completing and I was getting sleep. But I have to complete my notes. Who will complete that? Nobody will complete. Will not complete, then I will only get scolding. So why to get scolding in front of everyone? So please do that. What makes you happy. If you know that you can do it, just go ahead. Don't think of anyone else. Nobody cares. In this time, nobody cares except laughing. Let them laugh. They can only just laugh. Nothing else they can do. So I hope you like the video, and if I gave you some of the knowledge, if you guys like, yeah, she shared something and you liked it, then please support. Your one support can motivate me more and more and more. And just stay happy and love yourself a lot. Because God gave you the life and you are so special. Just think that how beautiful you are. You are having everything. So I hope. Bye bye, guys. Bye. Take care. Good night. What to do and what not to do. So after that, okay, I understood, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Okay. I just told. And I just happily went from there. I have the confidence. First of all, have the self confidence that you can do it. If you have the self confidence, then you can do anything, my anything. Please try to understand and please believe in yourself. Please believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, then you can rule the world also, not even the school. Rule the world. So that's it for today. I know this video was so lengthy, and I was, in the starting parts of my word, I was just not having like anything. I did not decided to. I will make this particular video first of all. So what was coming in my mind, and just I was speaking it out. Just please don't mind if you guys have anything to know or should I share with you, then please tell me. And like, share and subscribe. So I hope you guys like the video. Like, please watch till end. If you guys will watch, I am damn sure that you guys will have a little bit clarity of stage fear. And stage fear comes from lack of overconfident, not lack of unconfident. So start loving yourself and being confident. Now the time is 1:28 right now, and